How to make the Lopez avocado salad. Ingredients you will need is a cucumber, tomato, a lemon, 6 avocados, hash avocados. I like these, they taste better. Some Himalayan salt, some garlic powder. I don't have at the moment, I will get some later. You can use fresh cilantro if you like cilantro chopped up. You can add a little bit of olive oil to your avocado salad if you like. And you can also add a little cayenne pepper for a little spice to it. So I'm going to get started with the cucumber. Cut it in half. Okay. And when you cut it in half, we're going to go ahead and clear out with the spoon, clear out all the seeds in the center of both halves. Okay, as you can see, I took out all the seeds in the center. Now we're just going to go ahead with our knife, just, to your liking. You're just going to cut them however thick you like it, or however thin. Have a bowl available because you want to mix it later. Next, I have my tomato. I'm going to go ahead and dice this up as well. You get close to here, I like to use all of it, so I just kind of cut around there just to get every bit of tomato. And I just get rid of that part there. And again, this is just dicing. You can have it as thick or as thin as you like. Okay, another ingredient is having an onion. I like sweet onions. Gives it a nice taste to the avocado salad. So I'm going to go ahead and dice these as well. I'm going to start off by cutting it in half and just making some, slicing it through but not all the way down. Spacing them out. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to make slices, but again, not all the way through to the end. And turn it. And this is going to give you nice little dice. Once you get to the end, you can kind of just rough chop it. Next, we have our hash avocado. Again, we're going to be cutting 6 of these from the top right here. We're going to just get our knife down the center, and we're just going to kind of just bring it all the way until we reach the other end. Okay, and then just simply twist it and open it. Use a spoon to get out the seed lightly, like that. And with the same spoon, you start at the very edge next to where the skin is, and you kind of just bring the The spoon all the way around and scoop it out. That way you get all of it. Barely no waste. At this point, I'll just use my bigger knife. Just, make nice, however sizes you want. You can keep them sliced, you can keep them diced. Just like that. Try not to play with it too much because then it gets all mushy, and we're trying to avoid that as much. Okay. Again. Show right here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the rest of the hashed avocados, and we'll be right back. So you can see I cut up all the avocados, diced them up, and right now what we have to do is get a lemon squeezed on the avocado so that it prevents the discoloration. So we're gonna add a lemon here. Now, I would recommend adding 2 lemons to the 6 avocados. And so we have a little squeezer here. Just slowly, just try to get all of it wet with the lemon. Okay, now, so I just finished squeezing my lemon on top of it. We're gonna go ahead and season it with our seasoning. So right now I'm gonna use black pepper. I prefer the coarse pepper, but this is what I have right now. Just sprinkle some pepper over it. Now again, this is all to your liking. Go ahead and use the Himalayan salt. Just give it some flavor. And I have some cayenne pepper. Again, I like a little kick to it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of sprinkle of cayenne pepper just for the bite. At this point, this is where you want to be careful as you mix it. You don't want to just use a hard spoon because you're going to smash it. And it's okay if it smashes a little bit. I have something soft here. And I'm using a bowl where I can kind of just fold it in. And just get all the lemon and all the ingredients mixed together in this bowl. Again, cilantro goes really well if you like cilantro. And I have not added my garlic powder because I don't have any. I have to head to the store for that. And that's pretty much it. Here you have your avocado salad. Enjoy!